we are going to tackle about iMovie. So iMovie is as simply as video editor on iPhone or iOS. So let's see what's new. So adjust the green screen effect with the 4-point mask and strength slider. Transform your video with a new green screen effect that lets you instantly remove the background outputs shot in front of the green screen open the video and that is the video clip, and you can also record and edit, share 4K movies, create Hollywood style movie trailer, and add one green screen. So you can delete that and create a new one, and let's choose this and enable blur, can burst, disable and duplicate it. Let's try 1 minute and add an audio, my music song, and let's try Senorita. Yan. So can also 0% because it can cause of a copyright. So let's try add green screen effect. So this is an example that, so let's click these three buttons that and choose blue or green screen, and can drag even you want in chat. Yan. So if you like this video, just subscribe and click the bell button and subscribe. That is, guys, that's the new iMovie version. So for more info, just search my YouTube channel, Alhan Elzapitan, and please hit the bell button and subscribe to my channel. And thank you, guys. I hope this video help you to improve your video editing skills for beginners.